about to make some lunch. My tripod is all the way in my room and I just cannot, but for lunch we are gonna make Brussels sprouts. I already made some and they were bomb, and then we're just gonna make some shrimp pot stickers. So I got these bamboo steamers, which now I'm obsessed with. So you get the bamboo steamer. I got the one with 2 tiers. Anything that can like make cooking a little bit easier for me, a little bit, yeah, I'm gonna do it. So they just stack up. So what you want to do is you're gonna like wash your Brussels sprouts and prep them. I just like wash them with water. I cut off this part of the Brussels sprouts, and then I take off the first layer. I sometimes split them, but I'm not going to split them, and I put a little bit of black pepper and salt on it. Bomb. For these pot stickers, I'm literally not going to do anything. I like them how they are, come as you are kind of thing. So add wax paper. So we have washed the Brussels sprouts. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil and then some salt and black pepper. So they are all washed and clean. I'm just going to add a little bit of olive oil on them. I'm just going to mix it all together. Monday, everyone. So it is a new weekly vlog. It is a new weekly vlog. If you are new here, my name is Makeda. Welcome back. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Today is the weekly vlog. I am thinking, guys, that my weekly vlog is going to be uploaded on Monday instead of Sunday. On Sunday, I feel like I'm rushing to finish like my Sunday to upload that day, and the vlogs are late. So I feel like I want to upload my weekly vlogs on Monday. I think that makes more sense because it's Monday to Sunday, and then Monday I would start the new vlog, and then you guys would get to see last week's vlog. So I think I'm gonna do that. Let me know if you guys would prefer the weekly vlog on Sunday or Monday. Yeah, so right now I'm with my mom. She had to run some errands. We were supposed to go to the grocery store and stuff, but baby, we forgot the Sam's card, so she's just running into the store to pick up some stuff. I need to go back to the tailor because I have these pants that I got from Zara that I need to take in. I just ate a whole thing of gummy bears. These are pretty. I kind of want to wait to eat it. I got one more Albanese. And then I got Dove chocolate. Is like one of my favorite. It's just so creamy, so sweet. It reminds me of the soap. Like the soap is super creamy, but obviously you can't eat the soap, if you know what I'm saying. And then my mom put a mango in my bag. I'm gonna cover it up so it can ripe a little bit, but basically I'm here. My phone died, and I've just been literally like working. I am super, like, I'm in such a great space. So a few vlogs ago I told you guys I felt like the world was on my shoulders, but lately I've just been like in a really great headspace. I'm just working on like the passion projects that I want to work on. Also, I feel like I get so like fixed on the present moment that I'm not saying, okay, Makeda, like work on the things that's gonna matter a year from now, the things that are gonna matter 2 years from now or 10 years from now. And I think that is something like to always keep in mind. I know like in life, there's things that are immediate that we have to work on. Oh, my mom's here. There's things in life that's immediate that we have to work on, but in reality, you really have to look and say what is going to matter 10 years from now, 5 years from now, a year from now. You want to say hi, mommy?
Oh.
Come on, girl.
Hello.
Should we go get the pants or no? You're tired. You want to do it tomorrow? Do it tomorrow. You're exhausted.
Okay.
So, hi guys, welcome back to the weekly vlog. It's Makeda here if you're new, and my aunt. So I bought some stuff. I'm gonna start off the haul. I'm gonna start off the weekly vlog with a little haul for you guys. So my aunt hasn't seen some of this stuff, so are you gonna say hi to the people?
Hello.
So I'm not keeping this set because I didn't like how it looked on me, but the first, it's from Zara. I'm gonna link everything down below if you guys are like interested in it. But the first is these pants. I thought they were gonna be cute, but it's a little bit too like.
It doesn't look bad.
It doesn't look bad? Okay, well I didn't like them.
No.
I feel like I wouldn't get that many wears out of it.
It doesn't look bad.
It doesn't look bad, but okay, so the second is the matching top. I'm like, my frame is really tiny. My frame is pretty tiny, so I think this just swallowed me up too much. This is the shirt. You see how the shape of the shirt?
I like a shirt.
Right, and it ties though, so it cinches. Like it's cinched, but no.
It pants are, I'm not like a shirt.
No, I'm not gonna keep this. I just wasn't in love with it. And then those are just some shirts. So then I did like a big order from this like website, and I gotta move the chair back. And then let me do, okay, I'm gonna do this last because I have like a story to tell you guys about that bag. Okay, so for this,
For a big bag.
For this package, for this, I didn't do like a huge order. I just did like a small order, but one of the items is big. So the first item is this like pink shopper bag, which I thought was super cute.
A beach bag.
Is it a beach bag? I thought it was a shopper bag.
For me, I don't know.
But I don't like that it's open, like you can't close it. And I don't like that.
So it's a bag?
Yeah, everybody can look in the bag. I don't like that. They have ones with the drawstring where it's attached and you just pull it. Yeah. But this one doesn't have it. And I love the color. It's like the perfect like pink.
The material nice.
Not true.
Yeah.
And my laptop and stuff could fit in there, but no ma'am. And then I got this black dress. I thought this was gonna be so cute with some like lace up heels and like a little bag. That would look cute. Not true.
But let's see the dress.
But the dress, it makes me look old lady. And it doesn't look bad.
It don't look bad.
But, oh, you want to answer? In a second? Oh, you call back. So yeah. But that's gonna go back. And what I'm disappointed in is these shorts.
I mean, like, what shorts are they?
They're so cute. I thought these would look so cute with like a white bodysuit with like white heels or white slippers or sneakers. They're the size of Antarctica. And this is a 36. I thought these were Maybe they sent me the wrong size.
It big pile.
They're huge.
Hmm.
These are from D Square too. I thought they were so cute, but they're too big. Like, now I'm happy I ordered a 0 in those pants.
So this all.
I thought this was supposed to be like a 2, but these look like 22. So I'm gonna return these bad boys. I wonder if UPS will tape up my box.
Everything I was in place?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes.
Okay.
Then, okay, so the final item is this bag that I wanted from Mango. Lord have mercy, you don't even understand. So this bag I saw and I really liked it. I was like even asking people to like, can you go pick up the bag, because I don't have a Mango like close to me. But long story short, it came back online. I was able to get the bag, but when I ordered the bag I sent it to my old address because I haven't ordered from Mango in forever. So what did me and you have to do?
Wake me up out of early, they run, not even brush teeth. You got people in place.
We had to go back to our old address to go get the bag, and then they didn't even deliver the bag. Like, nope. It was a mess. We were on a stakeout trying
right, no left funny people in door.
For this bag.
Circle the woman, you had much time.
Oh my gosh. I'm glad nobody saw us and called the cops. Well, we wanted this bag, but anyways, we ended up getting the bag.
I'm gonna get the bag.
We got the bag. Well, I got the bag. I like the bag. Mom and Leash, they're saying it's a no. So this is the bag, right? I like it because it's structured on the outside, but then it's kind of slouchy on the inside. I kind of like it, guys, but let me know if you think this
Tell
is...
us if you like it, keep it.
But Mom and Leash are saying this is like an old lady bag. Can I just like spice it up a little bit in my life? But I'm an old lady at heart and I really like it. But you know what? And the bag came and I went through all that trouble and it's broken inside. So it doesn't make sense to keep it even though it was on sale. Yeah. So I'm going to send it back. But I kind of like the bag. I don't know. What do you guys think? I think like all like nude outfit, white outfit, I think it would look good. This? Yeah. Well, that's what I thought, but everybody is saying no in the household.
Many come think Mama you buy for.
So
Mama style bag then.
So Mama has style. What are you trying to say?
Mama bag. Oh.
I really liked it, guys. Let me know.
But if you like it, keep it.
Let me know if you guys like it. If
we need to wear me and I go.
Let me just show it to you.
Put your hand pant, make them see.
Not this outfit, Avi. Yes or no, guys?
Send it back. Where are we going now? Tell me where we go. Where we go?
When we go back to New York, I thought we could wear... When we go to New York, I thought I could throw my stuff like when we go to dinner or like lunch.
No, sir. When next time? When you call her, they go. When you call her, they go.
Wow, my feet are so dry. Oh, I guess I didn't. The oil didn't reach down there. Well, anyways. Okay, so no to New York. We're going to New York soon, and I thought this would be cute, like with some jeans, a little top, my jacket.
You have much bag. Why this? We're going to New York.
Because it's new.
No, you not take the plane or the train.
It's a train that we're taking.
This a bag and go.
Well, guys, let me know what y'all think. I really like it, but I can't believe you were gonna stop me if I had brought this to New York. So what if I had like my stuff?
No, I never kept much house with this.
But what if my stuff was already in there?
No, I not. You better take one ladder. Show them what now.
You really hate it that much?
I don't like it.
I could get something cuter.
You could get something cuter.
Guys, so we're about to go back to UPS and drop off this package and then another package.
I'm gonna show them the blouse.
No, they're just plain like little tanks.
Oh.
And then we're gonna go to Target. I'm gonna return a chair and a thing to them. Damn, we gotta bring this down. So
yeah, carry this now?
Yeah, we're gonna do everything at once. Guys, we just went to Target and returned our goodies. The bag is in, I mean the box is whatever, but we picked up some milk tea from our local pho place, and we got appetizers. Leisha's never had the wrap, and she's never, well, I've never had this. You ready? We're gonna try it. Are we supposed to mix it? I'm gonna taste it before I mix it.
So you told me if you try it one time.
Oh, sorry, I had to taste it. It has like a very
That tastes too bad.
no?
You like it? That tastes bad. I know sweet.
Is there hand sanitizer over there? Yeah, it's not bad, guys, but I don't like the balls. I would tell them I don't want the balls next time. You know, again, Juan. And he was so nice to look it up for me. So we also got two. You ever had these?
What is that?
They are spring. Oh, and it has like peanut sauce. You can try it with the peanut. You can have peanut. I can't. You never had these? So it's like these, if we'll focus so you guys can see. It's these like shrimp wraps. They're pretty good. It's like rice paper and they're pretty poppin'. Yo, these Asian people know how to cook. They're good. It's rice paper. So it's made from rice. Like, you know how you Carla said that girl's bati was flat like a tortilla? This is rice paper. You know who I always see eat this? Lovely Mimi. She always eats this. You like the sauce?
It's better, the sauce.
I be having you eat all these weird stuff. I always eat like half of the rice paper. And then I take it apart. I have my little snack bag. Am I the only one who does this? Sometimes you'll be on the road and you want a little snack. Marina said these cookies are good, but they're just a little dry. It's a chocolate chip cookie.
Vegan?
It's vegan. Guys, we're planning our trip to New York to shoot with Martha. And Leisha just saw the outfits. How do you feel about them?
They're smashing. Banging. They look good.
They look good? Aww. Are they gonna say yes, Makeda is a fashion girl?
Yep.
Or are they gonna say, baby, go back to the drawing board? Damn, this cookie's kind of moist. Try this cookie after. They're dry. We're gonna go return Mom's shirt. I hope that this, I just look so phenomenal. Guys, I cannot wait. Like, I really want, and I hope you guys stay with me as I evolve. Like, yes, you guys are always gonna get Jamaica vlogs because I'm always gonna go see my family. But I've been a fashion girl forever. No, true. We all love fashion. That's what.
It wasn't bad.
Wasn't bad, right? Put this in there. Your plastic. Put it in there. You know, it doesn't taste bad. It doesn't taste vegan. A vegan, nope. It's like a protein. It's like good for you. What was I saying, right? I hope you guys like stay with me as like my channel is like evolving, but I want to do more fashion based content, and I feel like with everything you can't stay the same, like, you know,
you can't do Jamaican vlog alone. You have to do
but that's how I started my channel though, was with fashion videos.
Yeah,
fashion and beauty. And beauty wasn't really, not beauty, but makeup. You know, it tastes bad, right? Guys,
it tastes bad.
If you're looking for a vegan base cookie, Lenny's and Larry's, this is what it looks like. It tastes so good, right? That's what I was saying. She said it was dry.
Not dry, kind of moist like.
It is moist, and it tastes really good. And I don't want no more. You know, I'm like finicky with like, and it's not too sweet. I gotta save room for the shrimp.
Shrimp what?
What are we making? Shrimp?
I'm full.
I'm gonna be hungry later. I hope you guys like stay with me. Like, I'm a fashion girl at heart, not true, but I feel like I don't do a great job at documenting my fashions. Not right now, but this is Polo the Don. Okay, I'm just joking, guys, but I feel like I don't do that great of a job like documenting my outfits and stuff, and I really hope you guys stay with me. I'm going to have my Jamaica vlogs, I'm going to have my Jersey vlogs and some travel vlogs, but you know, I have to be intentional with my content, and that is what I'm doing. Like, I'm super excited. We're gonna go to New York. We're gonna plan some other outfits to shoot with Becca. My aunt's gonna be taking pictures. The consistency is the name of the game. And I feel like, I was just talking to mom about this, and I was like, there's so many, look at DJ that passed away. There's so many talented artists. There's so many talented athletes that are not discovered. Not saying that, because circumstances is a part of it. Sometimes you're in a situation where you don't have the opportunity. You know what I mean? But I'm just saying, like, why do we know all these people that are in, yeah, they trained and whatever, but I'm sure there is somebody that can, Tina Turner has like the strongest legs and can dance and whatever. I'm sure there's another Tina Turner out there, but the difference is Tina Turner just went after it. Not true?
Yep.
So I think, you know, if you see that you fit into a space, one thing about me is I'll never see somebody build something and then say, oh my gosh, that person can't, whatever. Like,
you're not like that.
No, I'm not like that. And I feel like fashion, I don't know, I love it. I love putting myself together. It's just always been like something that I really, really love. So I cannot wait for you guys to see.
The fashion book when you go to school.
Yeah. And I felt like when I was like in high school, it was really tough for me. Like, I was going to a school that was like all white kids. I was, you know, I don't know, maybe there was less than 10 of us in high school. And I went to a school where most people had money. It was like, they had money. They were driving Range Rovers, Hummers to freaking high school. Yeah. Like, our school is on the beat. Like, it's crazy. Our high school was in like the top 100 high schools in America. Like, a little Target haul. I got these smoked chicken sausage for my mom. Sometimes like I pack her a little salad, so I think these will taste really good on top of a salad. I got this Dawn Platinum Power Wash. Everyone says this is like so bomb, so I'm gonna try it. Fabuloso. We love the lemon one. I don't like the purple one. To me, it does not smell good. So this always smells good. On Sundays we deep clean. And then for dinner, I usually make shrimp scampi from scratch, but tonight ain't the night. So we're gonna do this one, the shrimp scampi and linguine. I got 2 packs for 3 of us. I think that should be pretty good. I'll show you guys how I make it. You literally just put it in the pot, but I will show you guys in a bit. So we're gonna start with a empty pot. We're just gonna let it warm up for like a minute or so. So I I find that when the pot is warm, it doesn't stick as much. So I do like how these taste, but they taste a little bland to me. So I'm gonna go in with some black pepper. You know, good girl Maggie. Yes, of course. And then I'm also going to add a little bit of wine. This one, the one with the lemon, is pretty good. Just so we can kind of flavor it up because it's a little bland. So a little bit of butter. Then we're gonna add a little bit of the kitchen wine in there. Not a lot. So then we're just gonna add this. Oh, this is a lot. Usually I only do like one pack, but I'm gonna put everything in there. You're gonna just move it around a little bit. Sorry, I'm trying to. I'm gonna cover it and let it like steam for just a little bit on low, and then I'm gonna come back and add the seasoning.